So friends, welcome to the series of Pi network upgrades. अभी जो अगला update आ रहा है that is from Pi News. You can see good news at the rate Pi core team. Members said we will announce the Pi net mainnet roadmap next month. So right now I'm recording this video on 24th of November and वो लोग जो plan कर रहे हैं mainnet को launch करने का that is next year. But उनका जो roadmap version 2 आने वाला that will be in the December next month. Next update are that is dark mode is here. You can now toggle the mode in the application and you can see the dark mode is live on the application as well. Next update that is from the Pi network Pi Web3 King की तरफ से. You can see only 2 goals and hashtag Pi network will be unstoppable. The Pi core team is tirelessly working towards achieving these goals to make Pi network the future of digital currency. Next update that is from Get P की तरफ से. You can see no good project that started quickly and last for a long periods of time without encountering many errors and mistakes. They take example of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects compared with the Pi project. तो बहुत सारे comparison हुए Pi network के साथ with other application and you can see कि Pi network is way ahead than the other cryptocurrency applications which are doing the similar job. Next update are that is from Thu Pi की तरफ से. You can see if it is too great. GM pioneers information that will shock the Pi network world will be broadcast in the next few hours. Stay tuned for us only at the hawknews.com. तो यहाँ पे भी Pi network का feature हुआ है. That is a good thing. That's a bullish news for the Pi network itself because it is now getting featured on the major news channels that is hawknews.com. And the last update that is from the Pi network. You can see Pi network will be the greatest invention or discovery of the century. And you can see काफ़ी सारे features launch हो रहे हैं, establish हो रहे हैं इसके network पे. Like for example, Pi has the maximum supply limit. Millions of users are joined already. Numerous utilities are available on the platform, easily accessible. There will be utilized daily and long-term crypto projects. So these are the main features that are being integrated into the Pi blockchain.